Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at list comprehension. So last video we covered how to build this deck of cards. Well, we're going to refactor our code a little bit to make it a little more Pythonic and a little bit more readable, and it'll optimize it as well. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes and does not promote gambling in any way. So let's get started here with how we are going to build a list comprehension. So we're going to convert all of this code into a nice, clean one line of code, building code the way that the authors of Python intended. It also helps the code run a little better. So let's break this out into two sections here. We're still going to use this deck variable, but rather than initializing it with an empty list, we can reuse most of this code. So we're still going to use this for loop right here, this for I in range. We can stick that right inside of our list here. Now the only thing we're missing is what this does right here, where it converts I into a string. And so to do a list comprehension, rather than putting this information below inside the indentation after the colon here, you would actually just put this in front of your for loop. And now this does the exact same thing as this. They are functionally equivalent. So now we can remove that. And let's just take a look at our code and see if it does exactly what we'd expect. Still getting 52 cards. Still getting 2 through ace, 2 through ace, 2 through ace all the way down. Perfect. We can even simplify this bit of code. Rather than doing list appends, we can just add them together. So what am I saying here? I'm saying we can add a list. You can add lists together. And rather than doing appends, you can just put in these exact values on a comma separated list. I'm just copying and pasting for now. And then we'll put the queen, king, and ace. And this meets the old code that we had right here. This will match this. So you can do list appends. You can just physically add the information to the list. Both operate the same way. So let's run our code. Verify it looks right. 2 through ace. You still see jack, queen, king, and ace right at the end there. So yeah, that's list comprehension here. Just another way to rewrite the code. This is a little bit cleaner. It's a little bit easier to read. And it should run a little bit quicker in Python. It's made to work like this. But yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.